This video gonna show you how to connect no scanning ACDP host with network through iOS personal hotspot. Make sure that the iOS system version is 9 or later, and the storage space is over 1.5 GB. Make sure there is no scan mark on the back of ACDP host. Open Settings. Click Privacy. Click Location Service. Make sure Location Service is turned on. Go back to the phone setting page. Find the Mini ACDP app. Click Mini ACDP. Make sure the location is on while using, and the Bluetooth is turned on. Go back to the phone setting page. Click Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi. Click Bluetooth, then turn on Bluetooth. Click General. Click About. Click Name. Hotspot name can now contain Chinese characters or special characters. Click Personal Hotspot. Open Hotspot. Set the hotspot password as simple as possible. If the phone model is iPhone 12 or later, turn on the maximum compatibility speech. Keep the phone on this screen. Be careful not to click back. Press Home button or pull out to exit the setting. Open Mini ACDP app. Click Setting in the upper left corner. Click Initial Use Settings. Make sure Bluetooth and the location service are turned on. Then there is no scan mark on the back of ACDP host. Click No. Press Set button. The ACDP host beep. Keep pressing. Then ACDP host beeps twice and start initial programming. Keep pressing. The ACDP host makes a long beep and finish initial programming process. Now let's release the set button. Select the right device. Hotspot name and password will be automatically entered. Verify that the hotspot name and the password are correct. Click Start Configuration. After connection is successful, the routine will automatically jump to the main screen. Connection information will show in the upper right corner of the home page. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.